Hi everybody, back from a holiday. Now I noticed you like easy and nasty bases. So guess what I did this week for you guys? Welcome to the workshop. So another cheap, fast and easy texturing project for your miniature wargaming bases, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't have a lot of time this week, so this seemed like a perfect opportunity to make part 2. For this project we need an even smaller list of tools and materials. We are going to start by spreading a little bit of PVA glue over on the base. These are 30mm bases, by the way, a little bit larger than the last project. Just spread it around with a toothpick or a sculpting tool. Then I add a little bit of super glue, about 5 to 7 drops, and then it's time to mix these two ingredients together. You can see already as soon as I touch the base that it starts to harden up. It starts to form a texture that hardens in about 10 minutes. So it's really nice if you like to work fast. And this is the result. Time to bring out the paints. I am going to show you just one of the two that I painted. The red fleshy texture was already featured in the previous video, so now I'm going to do this yellow black disease-like. I'm going to start by laying down a coat of black wash over the entire base. Now it's important between each step to let it dry thoroughly, unless stated otherwise. And then I paint on a bunch of light yellow spots all over the base, especially in the recessed areas of the texture. Then I take some slightly thinned down ochre yellow. I paint this at the sides of the light yellow to make it blend a little bit. Then I paint on some black spots, a bit the same as the yellow paint. Then I'll make a thin down mixture of black wash and wash mix. Wash mix, as always, is a recipe by Les Bursley. Same mixture, but with a drop of sepia added. Then a dry brush with Ivory to bring out the texture. And then we restart some parts of the process. We're going to re-highlight with the light yellow. And then we are going to re-highlight the veins with Ivory. And then we add another highlight with pure white, just to really make the veins pop. And finally a layer of gloss varnish. And that's it for this project. I want to thank you all very much for watching. Please like this video, please subscribe. Watching this channel grow really makes me motivated to make more videos. You can expect a new terrain tutorial next week. I hope to see you there. Once again, thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.